Hi guys, how you doing? Today we're going to go over some basic notation that you can apply to playing the chords and playing guitar. Okay, so I'm going to play the notes and then I'll write them and show you what they are, right? So this would be a whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? You count 4 beats. So this is what a whole note would be. And this would be a whole note, like that. And you would count 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you count this whole note because you have 4, 4. This is what's called a time signature, okay? So you have 4 beats in a measure. So this whole note, you would count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Right? So I'm gonna give you all of them and then I'm gonna play it. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these are called bar lines. Okay? In between the bar lines, you have the measures. Like that. Okay? So we're in 4, 4. It's 4 beats in a measure, right? So this is a whole note. Right? And it gets 4 beats in 4, 4 time, right? So this is what's called a half note. And it's like that. Now watch, right? This half note gets 2 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now in 4, 4 time, you need 2 half notes to fill 4 beats in the measure, right? So you'd count this whole note, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the half note would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Okay? So, moving on, we have what's called a quarter note. All right? And this gets 1 beat. Right? So in 4, 4 time, you need 4 quarter notes to make up 1 measure, right? So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, right? Okay, so I'm gonna put down here what they look like, just so you know. That's a whole note, half note, half note, quarter note, looks like that, right? So this is a football with a flag. The football colored in with the flag, okay? So we have one more note for this module called an eighth note. Eighth note, right? So that would look like this. It's a colored in football with a flag, with a stem and a flag. So this is one football with nothing, football with a stem and nothing, then a football colored in with a stem, and this is a football colored in with a stem and a flag. Okay, and that's eighth notes. So this gets 4 beats. It's a whole note. This gets 2 beats. This gets 1 beat. And this one gets a half a beat. Wow, you're saying, wow, how's that gonna work, right? So, how many do you think you need in a 4/4 bar of eighth notes? It's very simple. You need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. Do I have? Yep, got them in there. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because they're worth a half a beat, right? So this is how you count them. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4N. Okay? So, let me play something that has this so you can hear how it sounds when you play. And I'm going to take one chord and play it. I'll take the C chord, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now mind you, this is in 4/4. 4/4 time. That's the time signature. So that means there's 4 beats in a measure. Okay? I'm going to do it again. All right? Whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eighth note. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay?